Hello everyone, good morning. Today our topic is about geometry right angles. In geometry right angles. Welcome to Easy Max Online. So please subscribe my channel to continue this topic and press the bell icon. Geometry. Let's talk about 2D shapes of geometry today and how we know which in 2D shapes where we can form a right angle. Let's see, but we should know what is a right angle. Right angle means the angle bounded. Bounded means joined by two lines perpendicular to each other. For small kids, it's very difficult to understand what is a perpendicular. In an easy way, perpendicular means one horizontal line, straight line, joined by the other vertical line, and we form like a letter L shape. When you see these two lines, we can find this it looks like letter L, capital L. So where there we form 90-degree. The angle between these two lines is 90-degree. So the angle bounded by two perpendicular lines to each other forming 90-degree is right angle. So wherever you see like a letter, in an easy way, you remember, whenever you see a letter L, you form a 90-degree there. Exactly horizontal and vertical lines and forming a letter L. L. So we form that is 90-degree. Look at this. Remember, they must have all right angle. So maybe this all are 2D shape. Some 2D shapes have right angle and some doesn't have a right angle. So you should find where you have found a letter L and how do you know it is a right angle or not. You can see this triangle. It is a triangle, three sides. And when you see this is a horizontal and this is a slanting position, but you never form a letter L. So we don't have any L shape here. So here we don't have any right angle. In the other one, in this B, you can look these two lines, exactly one horizontal and vertical line. When you see this one, you form a letter L. So we form 190-degree here. So when you draw a small square, it means it is a 90-degree. Where more this side, the other side also you can see a 90-degree and 90-degree. So how many right angles you form here? You form 4 right angles. Look at this triangle where you form a 90-degree here. So here you can form you can see here you have 90-degree exactly forming a letter L. So only one right angle you can see here. So one right angle is present here. And in this arrow, you can see one right angle this side and one more this side. And anywhere more, look at this. Yes, you will feel, see, look at this, it's a letter L. So you have 3 right angle in this arrow. Look at this shape. Do you have any right angle here? Here? No, we don't have any right angle. Now look at this pentagon. Do you have any right angles? No, we don't have any right angle here. We don't have any right angle. But in this L shape, we have one right angle this side, 90-degree. The other side. More? Yes, one more. Anywhere? Yes. But here, you cannot take this as a right angle because this is the outside of the shape. You should see inside only, the interior of the shape. So how many right angles we can have? We have 5 right angles triangle. Look at this shape. This is L shape, but you cannot take this as right angle because it's out. So we cannot take any shape here. And in the star also, we don't have any. But you look at this rhombus. You can form here letter L, and everywhere you can form this. So this side, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 right angles. Look at the other one. We have one right angle, only one right angle. So these are the some 2D shape which have some right angle, which doesn't have a right angle. Now I hope you are clear about how to find the right angle in 2D shapes. Bye everyone. Thank you.